Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick and easy tiramisu. First, brew a strong cup of espresso or coffee and let it cool completely. This is crucial for the flavor. Next, gather your ladyfingers and a shallow dish, ready for assembly. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother and faster. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious dessert in no time. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy filling. In a bowl, gently whisk your mascarpone cheese until it's smooth and lump-free. Then, in a separate bowl, whip some heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Carefully fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone, ensuring it stays light and airy. A splash of vanilla extract adds a wonderful aroma and enhances the overall taste. This step is key to a luxurious texture. Time to assemble our tiramisu layers. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, making sure not to oversoak them, or they'll become soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-dipped ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Next, spread about half of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat this process, adding another layer of dipped ladyfingers and finishing with the remaining mascarpone cream. Almost done. For the grand finale, generously dust the top of your tiramisu with unsweetened cocoa powder. This adds a beautiful finish and a delightful bitter contrast to the sweet cream. Now, the hardest part, patience. Cover your tiramisu and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This allows the flavors to meld and the dessert to set perfectly. Serve it cold for the best possible texture and taste. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.